Alrighty, y'all. Oh, it's so cute. Hold on.
It's not.
Okay, I honestly didn't even realize there was a kitchen.
It's not real full kitchen, but it has a hot top.
Hot top, the freaking coffee maker, the sink, dishes. I did not expect that at all. I had no idea. Which is kind of convenient because, oh my god, it's got a full-size fridge.
Yeah, well, not full-size, but
well,
good
I mean,
size.
compared to a
and
hotel.
A little mini dishwasher.
Wow. Okay, I had no idea.
Microwave.
I literally had no idea that was going to be here. Nice. I obviously investigate my rooms very thoroughly. I just saw this one was rated really good. It was in Aransas Pass and it had a really good price on it. I also noticed on the list that they have washing machines available here, so that's great. Let's check. Hello, family. Bathroom. Okay. I'm not going to lie to you. I am very happy with this.
Yeah, this is nice.
Very nice. So we actually ended up, because of what was available, we did this kind of a last minute trip because we're supposed to be in Port Aransas next week. But we were like, hey, look, Chelsea's got an extra long weekend off. Let's go to Port Aransas. So I had to get this, the disability shower.
The handicap.
Excuse me. Yes. Handicapped shower.
Oh, look at this.
Oh, God. Is it a lighting thing?
No, it's the bar soap I used to use all the time.
Yeah, it's so tiny.
It's the mini bar, dude.
It's so
Hold on, I gotta look at it real fast, though. Sorry, guys. Oh, my gosh. It's the cutest little bar soap.
Oh, thank you, Dove, for contributing. It's so adorable. Oh, yay. I love this. I noticed coming in, they have like a pool and they've got like a gazebo and then some grills or whatever. So we're going to be checking that out in just a little while. And of course, we're getting ready for fishing. So yeah. Honestly, I booked this place because it's in Aransas Pass, but to be real with you, I booked it because it was the cheapest one, booking a last minute stay. So I was like, because this was an impromptu trip and me and Jimmy have been traveling a lot, I just wanted to go with cheap. But I'm like, actually like, wow, this and the place would be tied for two of the places we stayed in Port Aransas for how nice it is. It's gorgeous. I'm very happy. Talking about getting that food stocked up. I've actually never been to the HEB here.
So, dude, check out these curtains, man. And these long, clear curtain rods. Handles. I don't know. Yeah.
You are so retarded. And also you have very small boobs for your size.
Small.
They're very small, I feel like. Sun chairs, yeah. What? You have a bathroom? Wow, that's cool. So you guys know that Jimmy's a creep because he's a man. So like you guys, I mean like 90% of our channel is men. So I feel like you understand, right? But like hear me out. I've been working very hard on this ass. It's looking pretty good.
Oh my god, dude. Okay,
Just saying, you're welcome.
Alright.
Gonna keep working on that shit. It's alright, but it's gonna get better.
Oh my gosh, okay. Got lotion up the booty. It was a bee.
You're a bee. Oh my god. Alright, Jimmy and me have been going back and forth on these stupid pull laps. And apparently he's just way more athletic than me. Because I can't seem to fucking do it one time. Accomplishing a lap as fast as him. It's crap, dude. I'm not happy right now, y'all. I'm not happy.
Alright, let's go.
What a turd.
What's up, man?
Oh my god. mean, wow.
What?
I don't know how you're so much quicker than me. It sucks.
I don't know, Chi-Chi.
Oh
Your nose is all plugged up, Chi-Chi?
my god. I'm gonna die here.
You got water over your nose?
Yeah, I have water, like, I'm pretty sure, and I don't mean to sound dramatic, but I'm pretty sure I have water surrounding my brain now. So there's that going on. Guys, we're about to do something really ridiculous, and hopefully we don't get in trouble with the hotel. It's gonna be funny though. Are you even running at all?
Really?
All right, ready? Here we go.
Okay.
Ready? Drop. I tried to suntan. I like tanning beds. They're pleasant and quick, right? I tried to suntan for like 2 minutes. Fuck that Texas fucking... I'm sorry.
Wow.
That was a lot of F-bombs. Let's try again. F that effing Texas sun. It's effing hot as F, right? So I was like, I'm not doing it anymore. I don't care. What you think?
I like the pool.
Pool's pretty clean,
It's
nice.
pretty fun to swim in the pool, and it is very clean. It's very nice. And what I like about it the most is there's nobody around. All right, here we go.
No, it smells
Pork
amazing.
choppies.
Yeah.
Let's go.
All right, guys, you know what time it is. It is our giveaway checkpoint. This is brown water, but actually, so that mezcal actually has a worm in it. So we're about to go. It's worm time.
Don't make me.
Yeah.
It's a bad one.
No.
Don't film me, Gigi. I don't know you're filming.
No. You're like pep talking yourself in the mirror. That was really funny. But like sexy.
Mike, let's go.
Sexy.
Headed
too.
to the gym. Headed to the gym.
All right, guys, we're gonna go work out. Let's do a workout. Fitness center. Okay. Look at the gym. Oh, I hope there are things to lift because I was trying to work my arms today. We're in. Boom. Got a bunch of treadmills. Yeah. Hell yeah. Yeah, boy.
I smell hip-hop and I want some. And I spy with my little eye. Two turntables, spin a record, so fly. Fly like an eagle or soar like a pigeon. Lay it on thick, they'll give you just a smidgen. A little devil to you, all you have to do is listen. Music be the movement, everybody on a mission.
Don't make it so obvious that you're looking at your tits, though.
I was looking at my tits. I work out. They look good. Sorry.
Liquor shot out.
Here's to you, buddy. All right.
Sponsor us.
Sponsor us. We could use it. We could use it, bro. We actually should get sponsored by a liquor. Like, how do we not do? Our giveaways have been you guys see us on vacation, so we're always drinking because it's on it's like, you know, every weekend is our drink days. And so when, you know, I'm doing my job and then we're doing filming, and why are we not sponsored by Liquor Channel? Like, our giveaways are literally about mezcal. Like, come on, mezcal. Hey, any brand of mezcal.
Yeah.
Give us some free liquor, we'll sponsor you. We don't care. Like, we have no discrimination here. Let's go. Anyway, love you guys. That is all.
Let the snap, let the snap, let the snap.